Hi, thanks for coming to my channel again. Today I'm going to talk about download offline maps before you travel. Why is it important? Sometimes, internet is not working fine at some area, or you are not subscribing any internet service overseas. Whatever the reason, you just do not want to get panic of not knowing where are you. Therefore it is wise to download the map beforehand. Maps navigation is become so important nowadays due to availability. Digital maps are widely available and accessible through a variety of devices. Accuracy. Digital maps are generally more accurate than paper maps, which can become outdated quickly. Convenience. Digital maps provide a level of convenience that paper maps cannot match. With digital maps, it is possible to get real-time traffic information, alternate routes, and turn-by-turn directions. Integration. Digital maps can be integrated with other technologies. This allows for even more convenience and flexibility when navigating. Cost. Digital maps are often free or low cost compared to paper maps. Overall, the availability, accuracy, convenience, integration, and cost-effectiveness of digital maps have made them a more popular choice for navigation compared to 20 years ago. Let's start. Open your browser with Google account login and select Maps. Tap on Select your own map. System will default your current location. You see the blue box is the perimeter area that map's going to be download. You may adjust your area to more details, so the map's file size will be smaller, or you may zoom out if you want to cover bigger area. Click on Download button to start downloading. After the map is downloaded, you may tap on it to see the details which show to expire in a year. You may update the map from time to time or just delete it. Now, after you have downloaded, how do you use it? You open Google Maps as usual. As you can see, the screen shows that the mobile is offline. Then you select Navigator. You put in the place that you want to go and system will then show you the direction as usual. However, if you do not have an offline map, you will not able to do so. Thanks for watching. Please follow me.